Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how I made this DIY highlighter at home. I have not applied any highlighter on my skin, so first I'm gonna use this highlighter that I made and I'm gonna show you the glow it gives to our skin. I hope you can see the texture itself is very good, and the glow it gives to our skin, it looks very natural and glowy, and in fact it's not a powder based highlighter, so it's not gonna make your skin look cakey. So I'm done applying it on my face, and you guys can see that this highlighter, it's not looking very extra on your skin at all, and it gives you a fresh and natural look. So let's just get into the video now. First we need a Vaseline, a coconut oil, an empty container to store it, and for the color I'm using this old eyeshadow palette which is in a shimmer shade. So I'm done with the video, and this was the easiest way to make your DIY highlighter at home. I hope this was helpful and that you guys can try this out yourself. And if you did like my video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'm just loving the glow of this highlighter on my skin right now. And yes, thank you for watching.